Can I swear?
Oh, go on then.
You just said, don't be a...
All right, party people. Hello. We're here with Sam from Static Dress. We're going to talk some drums, if that's all right with you.
That is perfectly fine.
First of all, though, how are you coping with the heat?
Yeah, in this tent it's absolutely roasting.
It
So,
is roasty. We
so I feel
suffer.
like a
We
tomato or
suffer for our art.
not wrong.
So let's go straight into some drumming questions. Warming up before gigs. How intensive is your set most of the time?
It depends really. We only played like 30 minutes today, so I
Not
didn't
too
warm
bad
up
then.
at all. There's like absolutely no time. It's just a massive stress setting stuff
Yeah.
up. So if I get a chance, I'll like go on a pillow or something.
Do you just improvise, or do you just like do singles?
Yeah,
like,
I have no set
specific-
routine. I'll just like play some singles or doubles or play to a song or something.
In your style of playing, do you rely quite a lot on rudiments, or are you more of a kind of punky rocky singles?
Yeah,
kind of
I
guy?
tried to put them in like when I was like 16 or something. It's when I discovered like players like Eric Moore and Thomas Pridgen and all the gospel players, and I was like, I want to like learn how to do that. So I like try to put 6-stroke rolls in where I can. And
So when you practice and when you were kind of learning, were you more of a sit down and I'm just going to play drums, or did you play along to songs?
I grew up with like a musical family. Like my dad's a drummer, and like all the members of my family are all musicians. So I was very
Loud
much
house.
yeah, for sure. I was very much just like I watched the band play and I was like, oh, I want to do that. So like a lot of practicing for me was just watching and learning and playing along to songs. And, And then like I remember learning a paradiddle, and I remember sending my I think I sent someone a message just saying like I've learned a paradiddle. And then it just went from there really, and like once I like got that down, it was like it just went to
So
more.
was it your dad that taught you how to play?
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, like I just learned up I like learned by watching him,
That's so cool.
and then yeah, he never really like pushed me to do it. I just remember watching it. I was like, oh.
Is there
this is
any
sick.
specific good advice he's given you, or anything that's kind of stuck with you?
Yeah, can I swear?
Oh, go on then.
You just said don't be a like just
know what?
just be a nice person to be around.
Harry from McFly yesterday said exactly the same thing.
Yeah, for sure.
Yesterday.
It's one thing being an amazing drummer, but if you're a bit of then like then
Don't be
want you in their band, right?
core advice from
Don't be
yeah, don't be. It's like the core advice is just don't be.
No, for sure.
Learn the part.
Yeah,
Just be able to play.
you can
and
be the
fine.
best drummer in the world, but if you're not a nice person,
If
you're
you're
not
a bad
gonna,
hang.
Yeah, you're not gonna get a gig. So
Bit of a random kind of question, but if any song, any band of all time,
yes,
which song would you want to re-record and play on?
re-record.
If you could. If you were swapped out with Bonham, or if you were swapped out with whoever.
I love the Cult. The Cult is one of my like favorite bands, but it's I'm just gonna say like She Sells Sanctuary, but I don't think it'll actually change anything.
You just keep it.
I just want to say I want to play on the
You want
song.
the
Yeah.
name on it. I love it. I love it. So with your setup, is there anything different to conventional one up, one down, or is there a specific
There was today.
piece of what did you have?
Today we used we got a kit from Natal. It's like a lovely orange acrylic kit.
Oh,
And
very nice.
it come with a gong drum, like a big 20-inch gong drum. So
Wait,
like
a gong drum.
yeah, so it's basically just a kick drum
Yeah.
without like the front head on. And I just like set it up next to my two floor toms, and it's just like a big sub drop type
Oh,
thing.
that's
It's
so
very stupid, but it
cool.
looks sick.
So with your normal setup, is there any one kind of, is there like a specific cymbal or a tom that you have to feel like you have to have, or can you kind of just do it?
Yeah, I can just wing it on anything, to be honest. Like I grew up just in like playing like pubs and places where it's just like, oh, that's what you're using tonight. It's like crack on with that. Like, so yeah,
Yeah.
nothing specific for me really.
Did you have a tutor other than just watching your dad?
No, just
really
all self-taught. Yeah.
And YouTube and stuff? Or?
Yeah, for sure. I'm very much just the person. I'll just like be obsessed with drums, like,
Yeah.
and just watch drummers all the time on
Yeah.
YouTube at gigs, and just listen to music really,
Yeah.
and play along as much as I could.
If you had to give me any chop that you just love to use, for example, I overuse the right, left, kick, for example.
Yeah.
Do you have one or any that you use?
It'd probably just be like right, left, kick. and just like put that in all the time.
Yeah, I'm right, left kick usually.
Yeah, yeah.
'Cause then you can move around the toms
Yeah.
real quick. Yeah,
And
yeah.
I love a quadruplet and like 6-stroke roll, honestly, as well. Like
Yeah.
you can put that anywhere and it sounds sick.
Moving the accent through it.
Yeah,
as
yeah,
well.
for sure.
It's always a bit tasty.
Yeah, that's sick.
Very nice. Okay. If you were talking to someone who wanted to kind of be doing what you're doing, other than don't be a is there any other advice you'd give?
Just don't give up. Just
Yes.
just carry on. Like
Yeah.
meet as many people as you can, play with as many people, and a bit of luck will help you along the way. Just do not give up and just carry on.
Keep going.
If
Keep
you
the
believe in
momentum
it so much, things will happen.
Yes,
Like,
absolutely.
yeah.
That's-
Today was an absolute dream for us. Like, I remember just standing at that stage as a kid, and like my cousin and my dad being like, "You're gonna play that one day," and
Aw.
obviously like thinking like
That's
being
amazing.
a 12, 13-year-old kid, you're like, "Yeah, no way." And then
And it
it's
happens,
just
yeah.
happened, yeah. So
That's
just,
so cool.
just don't give up and
Oh, that's so cool. So happy
Carry
for you.
on.
That's awesome. That's
Hey,
amazing.
thank you.
Well, amazing stuff. Thank you so much for
thank
coming
you
on.
for having me.
And good luck with the rest of the tour.
Thank you very much.
Hopefully it's not quite as hot as this room is
Yeah, it's-
right now. It's salmon. Anyway, big love. Bye bye.